Pay your respects. A guide to expressing sympathy in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in the English language. Pay your respects. This expression is widely used but can sometimes be confusing for English learners. Our goal is to help you understand its meaning, usage, and the context in which it is appropriate to use. So, let's dive in and learn how to express sympathy and respect in English. The phrase, pay your respects, is a formal expression used to describe the act of showing sympathy or honoring someone who has passed away. It often involves attending a funeral or memorial service, visiting the family of the deceased, or simply expressing condolences. This phrase emphasizes the act of showing honor and reverence towards someone who is no longer with us. Pay your respects can be used in various situations, primarily related to mourning and commemoration. Here are some examples. Attending a funeral. When someone attends a funeral, they are physically going to a place to pay their respects to the deceased and their family. Visiting a grave. People often visit the graves of loved ones to pay their respects, especially on significant dates like anniversaries or public holidays dedicated to remembering those who have passed. Offering condolences. Paying your respects doesn't always require your physical presence. Sending a condolence card, flowers, or even a message to the family of the deceased is also a way to pay your respects. While the phrase, pay your respects, is widely understood in English-speaking cultures, the ways in which respect is paid can vary greatly across different cultures and religions. It's important to be mindful of these differences to avoid unintentional offense. For example, in some cultures, bringing certain types of flowers or wearing specific colors to a funeral is considered respectful, while in others, the same gestures might be seen as disrespectful. Understanding how to pay your respects is not just about learning a phrase, it's about understanding a significant aspect of human culture and empathy. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and appropriate use of this expression. Remember, showing sympathy and respect is a universal part of the human experience, transcending language barriers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.